How can you see deleted search history on Instagram? First, you want to open Instagram on your device. Now, you want to tap on the search icon at the bottom of your screen. Now, I'm just going to search for a random profile. And now I have opened this profile. Now let's go back and I'm going to delete this profile from my search history. So I'm going to cross this out. So now if I type T, as you can see at the bottom, Instagram is suggesting me the profile that I have just searched for. So Instagram will suggest you the post again if it thinks that you're interested in that post. So even after deleting the search history, it is going to show you that profile. So now let's try something else. I'm going to search for swimming. I'm also going to open an account and then check some of the posts as well. So here, after checking out the post and account, I'm going to delete swimming from my search history. Now if I search S, as you can see, it is not showing anything related to the word swimming. So in the previous search, it did suggest me the profile I had searched for, but in this case, it is not showing anything. So now you know that for certain things, they won't necessarily show in the search, but if Instagram thinks that you might to see things again, especially specific accounts that you might like, it is going to pop up in the search results when you enter a specific letter. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.